Oh, it's 100% human hair blend. Of course. Hey, boo, hey. What you up to today? I got my money tree in the back, okay? I already got my Mimi Satin Web Cap on because I'm doing the unit by Outre. This is Outre 6x5 pre-cut lace closure wig. Okay, she's a loose body, 26-inch. Let's get on into her. If you're new here, I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I'm so excited to be with you guys. Make sure you bust down and subscribe to this channel because we're talking all things wigs, hell. And I'm ready to get into this one from Outre.
All right, my loves, let's check out this stock card. This is Outre 6x5 pre-cut lace closure wig, HHB, loose body, and 26 inches. I have her in the color brown copper swirl. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. She also has this adjustable band, which I love. And she has adjustable straps for kind of forever. And a drawstring hoe. Who knew?
Okay, this is with no lace tint. She is a 6x5. They give you the option to part her wherever you want. The lace needs to be tinted 1000%. It's too ashy. But that's for me. I'm a brown girl. For others, it might feel different. Already, I feel like the hair is a little bit shiny.
So I went on through and darkened this lace up using my Ruby Kiss foundation. And I just went on through and made sure she was my complexion because that is the protection that we need from this unit looking ashy as hell. Now I'm going on through. I just want to show you just how easy it is to just do whatever you want with this unit. I'm choosing to wear this unit glued down. I'm using my It's Giving Laid spray, okay? Only because I have a baby and one thing she's going to do is snatch my motherfucking wig off, okay? And I ain't got time for that today. We got things to do. Me and my baby father, we are filming something, okay? So I'm going on through. I'm laying this wig nicely on down. I did blow dry on cool, okay? To make sure that this is going to be laid and slayed. As you can see, she's giving scalp up out the Mimi Tatum heat, okay? I'm going through. I'm going to make sure that I flat iron this down a bit. This unit doesn't need much out the pack. She's actually really cute. And if you're into the voluminous look, it's fine. But I wanted a flatter install. So I'm going to go on through with my Andy straightening comb and just make sure I add a bit of heat on 10. I have this on 10, between 10 and 15, just to make sure that I'm laying down this hair. Now, this is a human hair blend wig. Look how beautiful that, it blended beautifully with my hair. A 6x5 closure, human hair blend. I thought the hair was a bit shiny at first, but then as I combed through it and really started working into this unit, she really gave what she needed to give. This cap construction is stunning. Very big head friendly. I haven't worn synthetic wigs in a while, guys. I'm going to be honest. These are some of the best synthetic wigs I'm giving you guys and some of the best I've tried in a very long time, if I'm being honest. Between the cap construction, the lace, and the texture of the hair, I'm actually very surprised at what Outre has been able to provide and how they've stepped their game up with the technology, okay? This unit on most wig sites is currently going for just under $60. At first, I thought that was rather expensive, but you'll see at the end just how impressed I am with how this unit came all the way together. I'm going to show my Mimi tap mouth, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
$50, and she took me all of, I don't know, 5 minutes to get this together. I think you all need this. I chose to glue her down with my It's Giving Laid spray. Hope I didn't get that on myself. Okay. I did choose to use this. And I only chose to use that because right now in this era, I have a baby and she's in the pulling stage. And I'm the only one with hair in the house. So she'd be snatching me the fuck up. Okay. And I be having to really get it together if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Comes with the ability with this 6x5 lace closure for you to kind of just part her any way you want. You could do little styles if you like. You know what I mean? Because between the lace, look how beautifully pre-plucked this is, and the Mimi Tatum parting space, you really do get what you need. The closure is really, really stunning. Now, the cap construction on this unit is, okay, Outre, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I had like a brand new Outre wig. The last one I did was the peak frontal, baby. If you have not seen that, go back and watch it. I've literally put in an order for all of them because I was so impressed with the cap construction and that everything that I was like, I need these units in my life. Okay. Now this collection, I wasn't too keen, if I'm being honest, on the texture of the hair when I first got her, but I think it's supposed to give, I thought it was shiny, but then when I went through and combed her out, I feel like it's giving more of a luster, like the appropriate luster, like a nice human hair situation. So I think she looks really, really pretty. I think she looks really, really good. Like, I have no notes. This unit is perfect. It's the perfect amount of lace. Are you a closure girl or ear to ear lace girl? I'm like a closure. I don't need a frontal. I don't need a frontal. Give me a little shank today, okay? A little parting space. I can make some shit work. You know what I mean? And I think this unit is just showing us what exactly we could do for the low. Now, I have this unit on my Amazon shop for under $60. And you can get her on anywhere you buy wigs for around $50. But let me tell you something. This was easy. This was easy. If you're new to wearing wigs, this one is for you. It's beginner friendly. It's easy. The color is phenomenal. Let me bust up on you. Very subtle coloring, which I like. It's even some hints of red in there. Can you see that, buddy? It's some hints of red. Like, I'm like really, I call my baby buddy. It's really, really nice. Like, I'm really into this. So let me know what you all think. I'm wearing this to film with my husband. We're filming Traders. And I was going to say, really, Love is Blind, child. Love is Blind is wearing me out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me again. Let me know how you feel about this Outre. Oh, it's 100% human hair blend. Of course. Now it's all making sense. It's all making sense. This unit is really nice and it's $50. She's super affordable. She comes wearing and ready to go. I have nothing else to say except for grab her. I'll call you later, sis. I gotta go and film this stuff with my man. Bye.